Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to sell an ebook on Gumroad. So first things first, you have to make sure the size or dimension of an ebook, and let me introduce to you Canva. If you want to create PDF, ebook, and etc., you can use Canva. All you have to do is to know the dimension so that you can custom the size right here. So we have to follow the inch size to create an ebook. You just have to copy this one, but if you cannot customize this to inch centimeter, then there is a general dimension right here. So you just have to copy this, paste it right here, also for the inch. Okay, copy and then paste here. After that, you need to tap on create design. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing, and here it is. So you can start creating your ebook. So let's just say I will be creating an ebook for children's story here. So I can go to design, look for something like a space, because the title of or my story or my ebook is all about space story for children. Then I can add elements here, text, add a title, okay, and then resize the title here. Actually, you can create better, you can do better than this, but for the sake of this tutorial, I just want to make it as simple as this. For the second page, you can add another element or just add color right here. Everything is up to you. And then you need to enter or paste the story. Okay, so you can just replace the background like this, add text, add the story. You can add more by just tapping add page. And then you can also change everything here, add effects, add more elements. There are a lot of things that you can do, or there are a lot of features that you can use here in Canva for free. Tap on share, and then this time download. Make sure this one is PDF, and then download. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, once done, you can now go to Gumroad and then start selling. Create an account here. You can create an account using your Google account, Facebook, and so on. So once you have created your account right here, then all you have to do is go to the left side and you have to look for the product. Tap on new product, and then here you can add a title. Tap on ebook, and then here you can add a price, and then just continue. Add the information needed. Okay, you can also add description, cover, thumbnail. After that, you're gonna save and then publish. So basically, this is how easy it is to sell an ebook on Gumroad. All you have to do is to publish this one and let people purchase your ebook here on Gumroad. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.